You don't need a man, girlfriend. You need a horse farm, where you can hook up anytime you want. Why chase men when horses are easier to catch? You don't even have to ride the same one every day. Hey, big boy. Now, I'm not saying you won't have to deal with a little crap now and then, but most skittish behavior can be easily solved with a crop. The only thing you have to worry about turning on here is the tractor. And the only thing that gets dumped is manure. But hey, it's not for everyone. But it sure beats a broken heart.